Relational database design is a methodological process that demands formal criteria to guarantee logical coherence, structural efficiency, and the integrity of the stored information. Far from being based solely on intuition or the direct conversion of previous conceptual models, relational design requires evaluating the organization of attributes according to their semantics, minimizing redundancies, and reducing null values in tuples. In this context, functional dependencies play a central role, describing how certain sets of attributes determine others within a relational schema. In fact, identifying total, partial, and transitive dependencies allows us to understand the internal structure of the data and anticipate potential anomalies in insertion, update, or deletion operations. Following this approach, normalization is presented as a systematic technique aimed at structuring data into logically related tables, reducing redundancies, and strengthening referential integrity. Through the first three normal forms, a cumulative progression is established, beginning with the requirement of atomic attributes and the elimination of repeating groups, continuing with the suppression of partial dependencies on composite keys, and culminating with the elimination of transitive dependencies between non-primary attributes. Consequently, normalized relational design is consolidated as a fundamental strategy for building structurally sound databases capable of supporting dynamic and demanding environments in terms of integrity, maintainability, and future evolution.